SMK Helmets. Gullwing part replacement illustration. Visor mechanism replacement. Open the visor fully first. Then pull the visor opening lever down to the full extent using a thin screwdriver covered with a soft cloth, and gently pull the visor out of the channels. Repeat the same for the other side. To replace the visor mechanism, first remove the visor. Then use a screwdriver to open the screw. Gently tilt the visor mechanism using the thumb and use your fingertips to remove the visor mechanism from its slot. And push the visor mechanism in its slot. Then screw it back in place using a screwdriver. To insert a visor, align the pivots and L-shaped legs on the channel provided on the visor mechanism and push it in place. Mouth vent cover replacement. To replace the mouth vent, first pull it open. Using a thin screwdriver covered with a soft cloth, gently nudge the back plate out. Repeat the process on the other side. The vent mechanism has two separate pieces, base plate and vent plate, attached together. To put it back, first align the base plate on the helmet and push it into place. Now, attach the vent plate on top of it. Top vent cover replacement. To replace the top vent, open the visor fully first. Using a screwdriver, open the top vent base. Now lower the visor and slide the top vent cover with your finger to pull it open. To put it back, place the top vent base on the helmet. And gently push it downwards. Breath deflector replacement. Pull out the breath deflector as shown. Align the hole on the breath deflector on the chin bar slot and push in place. Repeat for the slot on the other side. After this, if required, just adjust the breath deflector on the chin bar. Cheek pad and liner replacement. To remove the cheek pad and liner, pull the red button on the chin bar and flip up the entire front section. Gently pull out the cheek pad until you hear the click sound. Repeat the process on both sides. Then, unlock the locks of the bandella in the front of the helmet one by one. Now remove the clips from the top, such that the entire cheek pad and lining comes out together. To put it back, insert the section back into the helmet and snap all the clips in place. Wind protector replacement. Gently pull the wind protector, starting with one side to remove the snap of the wind protector from the chin cover. Then gently pull from the middle and the other side and the wind protector comes out. Sun visor replacement. To replace the sun visor, open the visor fully first. Slide the sun visor locking mechanism open. Now, gently push the sun visor on one side with your thumb and pull it out. To put it back, place the sun visor back in position and slide the locking mechanism close. SMK Helmets.